वाजपेयी जी एक बहुत महत्वपूर्ण बात कहकर गए थे, सरकारें आएंगी जाएंगी, राजनीतिक पक्ष उभरेंगे और गिरेंगे भी, पर जो हमारा संविधान है और जो हमारा प्रजातंत्र है उसका हनन कतई नहीं होना चाहिए। जो हमारे हेल्थ स्पेस में अटैक्स हुए हैं उस पर इजाफा करीब 95% हुआ है सर। तो आपके माध्यम से मैं बस एक ही चीज कहना चाहूंगी कि जो ब्लॉकचेन टेक्नोलॉजी है, डिजिटल स्पेस में हम लीड कर रहे हैं, ब्लॉकचेन टेक्नोलॉजी में भी हमें लीड करना चाहिए। एक रेवोल्यूशन है और डिसेंट्रलाइजेशन ऑफ डेटाबेस होना चाहिए, जिससे इस तरीके के साइबर अटैक से हम अपने देश के डेटा को सुरक्षित करें।
Certain companies have been offering this support and posting content on Kashmir Solidarity Day observed by Pakistan. The content they have posted on their platforms calls for freedom for Kashmir. These companies are doing business both in India and Pakistan, yet have posted content in solidarity with Pakistan over Kashmir. Such posts that are challenging the sovereignty of our country should not be acceptable. It is surprising that it has been ignored till now, and also keeping in mind that these companies have been flourishing in India for past many years, yet choosing to take stances that are contentious is unacceptable.
Sir, this is with regards to classical language status to Marathi. Many scholars, many historians, the state government of Maharashtra, many MPs across board coming from Maharashtra have made this request repeatedly. I had also put it on the table in the 253rd session. Every time the response is, it is under active consideration. My only question on this particular topic is, how long will this active consideration last? We have seen a phase, sir, in India where there was a shortage of vaccines and citizens could not get their vaccine dose on time. Now we have surplus of vaccines, yet we are not able to come with a clear guideline to be able to vaccinate people below 60 years of age, those who are seeking a booster dose for travel purposes or for safety purposes. So I would request you through the House, sir, to urge the Health Minister to come up with clear guidelines for vaccination or booster doses for those below 60 years of age.